welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Google Chrome theme. So if you don't know, there is a really easy way to change your Google Chrome theme. So in today's video you will be able to change the Chrome theme for your choice. And yeah, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we will get right into the video. Okay, as you can see now, I'm in Google Chrome and my theme right now is a city. So now I'll show you how we can change it. Actually, there are two ways. There are two methods where how we can change our theme. So both themes are really easy. I'll first show you guys the first theme. So the first method to change your Google Chrome theme is this. As you can see in your Google Chrome homepage, there is a pen, kind of like pen one, in the right color, right side down in the corner. When you click on it, customize this page. You can first go to the backgrounds and then you can see there are so many wallpapers. You can upload any picture that you want from the device, or you can select the classic Chrome or artist collection. You can click on anything and you can see it change, and if you want that, you can click done. I'll go to cityscapes and then select this. Okay, then after you select that, you can go to shortcuts, then my shortcuts, so most visited sites, and then you can see down in the bottom, color and theme. You can select any color, any theme that you want. So you can see my top area, it's white in color. I'll choose purple. Now it's purple, dark blue, dark teal, dark green, dark red and orange, dark pink and red, pink, blue, teal, light green, orange. There are so many colors, so I'll go with light purple and white. So because I think the dark purple matches my background better, or the black, so I'll go with the black one. Then when you click done, you can see you just changed your Google Chrome theme. Now I will show you the second method to do it. You can search for the Chrome Web Store, or you can click on apps, then Web Store. These both methods work. You can go with this and click on Chrome Web Store, or else just click on it. Now search in the store. So I know most of you are blinks and armies. So if you want a Blackpink wallpaper, you can just search for it, Blackpink, and then you can see K-pop Blackpink new tab theme, Blackpink Lisa wallpaper. You can see there are so many themes. I think I'll go with the Lisa because Lisa is my BS. I'll click on that and then add to Chrome. Then this message will pop up. You can click on add extension. Then you can see it's downloading right here. You can see it's downloading here, and now it's adding to Chrome. Okay, now you can just close it, and then here you go. Now your theme is fully changed. Now if you're not sure whether it is actual word, you can just close it and then open your Google Chrome again. And then new tab. Then if this message pops up, change it, click on keep it. And now you can see Lisa's, the theme is changed. You can see we have the change in time, search Google, the and Jimmy, these apps, most visited places, and then write this. In case if you don't like it and you want to change back, you can just go to Chrome Web Store again, Chrome Web Store, and then search for the same thing that you searched last time, and then I got this. You can see there's a green label saying added. I'll click on it again and then click remove from Chrome, then remove. Okay, now it's removing. Now when you go to a new tab, you can see we got our last theme. Now if you enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and comment what other tutorials you want. Bye, I'll see you guys next time.